today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to remove the sag out of this gate right here using this Everbuilt Anti Sag Gate Kit. Since we want to eliminate the gate from sagging over here, we're going to put a bracket here and another one up here to pull this part of the gate up by pulling it diagonally like this. Let's drill a couple of pilot holes. Since this is old wood, I'm going to drill them at a slight angle so they can grab the maximum bite out of the wood. Before we attach this plate down there, we're going to run the cable through it and clamp this down. I've already pre-drilled both holes. We're going to loosen this turnbuckle all the way. Just allow the threads to peek through. Now we take the hook end and we put it through the bracket. Now we take the cable and we string it through this eyelet right here. Before I start tightening the turnbuckle, I want to lift up as much sag out of this gate so there's less work that the turnbuckle has to do. Now let's pull the cable taut and then tighten it down. And now we're going to tighten up this turnbuckle. Another way to tighten the turnbuckle is with a screwdriver. And that's how you get the sag out of this old gate. If you found this video useful, then please hit like and subscribe, particularly that subscribe button, because we're trying to get up to 100,000 subscribers so YouTube will send us a really cool plaque. We're already at about 36,000, but every subscription helps, so please hit that subscribe button. Plus, we make a lot of other cool videos like travel videos and daily vlogs and a lot of other interesting things, so maybe stick around and watch some of those. If not, that's cool. I hope that I helped you and that you found this video useful anyway. Thanks!